In this video I'm going to show you how to make a GIF in CapCut. So what we need to do is basically upload a video clip we would like to use for the GIF. I'm using this clip and I will drag it to my timeline. After that you will see that you have a clip and we can shorten it a little bit because we don't want it to be too long. Let's say we would like to end it over here, so you have this part. Now what we can do is go to export. After that, you name your file like car, and once you have done that, you have some options. Now, watch this. We are going to format, and there you will see only the MOV and MP4 file. So we will go down, and there you will find export GIF. So click on the GIF, and now you have to select the resolution. For now I will select the 240p because that is for the free version of CapCut. But if you have CapCut Pro, you also can select those resolutions. So once you have done that, select it, and now we will deselect the video because we don't need the video, we only need the GIF. And now you can export the GIF. And I will download it and then show it to you guys. So we will open the folder. And now we will drag this to here, and here you can see the GIF. So we will open the GIF, and as you can see, this is the GIF we have created. And that is basically how you create a GIF on CapCut PC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!